Adhering to the philosophy that quality originates from manufacturing, QJMOTOR Smart Factory is built with advanced production lines to international standards, integrating intelligent SOP and MES systems to achieve precise assembly, full process traceability, and data collaboration. Systems guide operations, equipment ensures accuracy, and data validates quality, forming a highly consistent production system from components to finished motorcycles, delivering reliable, stable, and high-quality products to the global market. By restructuring the assembly process through a modular system, QJMOTOR centralizes the specialized production of key assemblies like fuel tank, frame, tire, and suspension. This approach enables dedicated personnel on dedicated lines, quality control, front loading, and efficiency improvement. Each module undergoes independent inspection before advancing to final assembly, resolving complex issues at an early stage. This significantly improves the first pass yield and complete vehicle reliability, building a more efficient and robust quality assurance system. At QJMOTOR, every tightening point is a commitment to safety. Through the collaborative control of smart tightening equipment and the MES system, torque and parameters are automatically matched to ensure precision and consistency in critical fastening operations. Meanwhile, data for every bolt is bound to the vehicle identification number, VIN, enabling full process traceability. Empirical operation is replaced by data assurance, providing global riders with safer and more reliable riding performance. Within QJMOTOR Smart Factory, the MOM system acts as the brain, taking orders from ERP and coordinating production planning, materials, and capacity. The MES system serves as the neural network, assigning a digital identity to each vehicle, issuing precise work instructions, and collecting real-time equipment and quality data. This enables full process synergy in production, execution, quality control, and information feedback, making manufacturing more efficient, precise, and transparent. Smart manufacturing delivers three core values: zero defects in production through system error proofing, ensuring things are done right the first time, full transparency of production progress and quality via real-time data monitoring, supporting more accurate and efficient decision-making, and a complete full process traceability system that records all data from components to complete vehicle, quickly identifying root causes and continuously ensuring product quality and customer trust. QJMOTOR upholds engine quality with stringent standards. Every engine undergoes 100% cold running in and full inspection, including cold start and load testing to guarantee stable performance. Meanwhile, supported by high and low temperature environmental laboratories simulating extreme climates from -45 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, we verify cold start capability, high temperature durability, and alternating stress performance, ensuring reliable operation in complex global environments and providing riders with all-weather peace of mind. Before mass production, products are tested in real-world conditions. QJMOTOR has developed a comprehensive proving ground featuring integrated test roads, including bumpy roads, gravel roads, water wading roads, and high-speed circuits. Through tens of thousands of kilometers of endurance tests, we fully validate frame strength, suspension performance, and overall vehicle reliability. Combined with intensive real-world testing and data feedback from professional riders, every model is proven to withstand real riding conditions before market launch. The test center adopts a combination of laboratory verification and real road testing. Using chassis dynamometers and vehicle vibration test benches, we simulate high-intensity riding and complex road conditions in a controlled environment to quickly expose potential durability risk in the transmission system and vehicle structure. Issues are identified and resolved in advance, ensuring greater stability, safety, and reliability during actual customer use. For motorcycles, which consist of a vast variety of components, logistics, efficiency, and accuracy directly determine the lifeline of production. Our solution is a fully automated, intelligent warehousing and distribution system. At the core are our intelligent, automated, stereoscopic warehouses and intelligent management systems. We have over 50,000 material storage locations dedicated to storing production parts. Within QJMOTOR's intelligent warehousing system, stereoscopic storage greatly saves space, with order picking accuracy approaching 100%. The goods-to-person model improves efficiency and turnover speed, ensuring efficient and stable operation of warehousing and logistics, and fully supporting production demand.